Brain test game solutions level 261 till 287. Level 261, you must win this somehow. So we are the X and the rival is 0. So whatever we do, we are not going to win. So let's cheat by dragging the 0 out and then putting our X and winning. Level 262, the red car must win. Let's see what happens when we press go. The first lap the red car is winning and in the second it loses. So let's change the lap number. Let's go and change. So it wins. Level 263, the cat needs to get to the fish again. So as you know, the dog has his gaze fixed onto the cat. We can see a bone hidden behind the rocks. Let's use it to make him dizzy. Move it fast. And once he is dizzy, the cat can go to the fish easily. Level 264, help him overcome this boring Monday morning. So he obviously needs coffee. So we can see a kettle over here. Let's turn it on by clicking on the red button. Let's find coffee. It's in the cupboard over here. So let's add it to the cup and put the hot water and make the coffee for him and give it to him. Level 265, help these lovers come together. So they are separated by the valley. Let's use this wooden piece over here. The log is short, so let's expand it and make it as a bridge for them to come together. Level 266, she's crying as always. Let's see what we can use. Okay, so behind the teddy bear there is a remote. Let's change the channel to what will keep her happy. Level 267, we must conquer the castle. Let's see what happens when we start the... So the stone is not enough to destroy the castle. So let's use the fire from the soldier's hand, burn the stone and then fire it. Level 268, Sir Nubaloth requires help to defeat the dragon. Let's see what happens when we go near the dragon. Okay, so it emits fire. So we can see water over here. Let's keep it over here so that when he emits fire now, it will extinguish because of water. Level 269, what is on Jupiter? None of us know what is it. It's a mystery. So let's use the question mark from the question and put it on Jupiter. Level 270, oh no, prevent this accident. So I think he's sleeping or dozing. So let's warn him by pressing onto the chain and alarming him. Level 271, he is so angry, calm him down. So we can calm him down by making him go to sleep or lie down. So turn your device upside down such that it faces the floor. Turn it downwards. Okay, and there he is calmed down. Level 272, we must open this vault. So we need the password. So we can find a piece of paper beneath the books. Let's copy the pattern and open the vault. Level 273, Sir Nubaloth must defend a troll this time. Let's see what happens when we go near it. Okay, so it will smash us. So we need to go back quickly so that he hits the bridge himself, breaks it, and we defeat him. Level 274, why is the car in front not moving? Let's see why. Okay, so she's dozing off. Click onto her to wake her up so that the car can start moving. Level 275, what is the answer? 4 into 5 is equal to 20. We also know that 7 plus 13 is equal to 20. Click on B and get your answer. Level 276, time to school, wake him up please. So with 2 fingers, open both the eyes together and wake him up. Level 277, satisfy our customer. He looks someone who is greedy to eat everything that's on the plate. So let's give him everything. Okay, so the banana is out. Okay, now he's happy. Level 278, what is the question mark? So over here the middle number is the sum of all the three digits together. So over here it will be 5 plus 4 plus 10, which is 19. Level 279, get rid of these mosquitoes please. So this water is not helping, so let's reduce the temperature to freeze the mosquitoes to death. Level 280, pick the correct colors at the screens. So let's see, let's try to untangle these wires and see where they are leading. First let's start with the blue one. So the blue one goes to the third one. Okay, the red one is not leading anywhere, but the yellow one bifurcates over here. So the first and the second both are yellow. Level 281, help us, we can't find our home. Let's drag the screen out and we find our home over here. Level 282, I wonder which of these fish is the biggest one. So all of them look of the same size, but as we know the puffer fish expands, so that is the biggest fish. Level 283, what is the number above 4? So it's not 7 or 2, but what comes after 4 is what is above it, and that is number 5. Level 284, help this guy avoid a ticket. So as we can see, one of his headlight is missing. So use the bulb over here to make his headlight. Level 285, adjust the side view according to the top view. So simply do as mentioned. So the blue is taken slightly out and even yellow. I think that should do. Level 286, make the sixth shape follow the pattern. So as you see, with each pattern one dot goes missing. So in the last one we will have these two dots remaining. Level 287, defeat this nasty virus. So let's make him less dangerous, like this. It's no more nasty. Thank you so much.